Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, I will explain to you how to create a mute button, a button that we can use to mute and unmute the music or a specific music file. First of all, let me import the file to library. For import the music file, I need to go to file and then import to library, and then I need to select the audio file. I already imported the file here, and then I need to create, I'm going to create a button. F8 to change it to button. And here, let me name it mute btn. And also I'm going to create line and F8. Also, I'm going to convert it to another button. And then I'm going to select the first one, action. I can click double and put the hit and over, but I'm not going to do that. Here, right click and then action. And then I'm going to use this code to do that. This code I use to use the same button to mute and unmute a specific music file. Muting the and unmuting the music file will work by converting the music as a class and call it as you see here. So before we do anything, we need to click on the music file we have, right click and properties, and then we need to go to action script. And here we have the name of the class. We can change it, and we don't need to check the export in frame. And then we need to click on OK. Here we need to change the name to make it match with the class that we named inside the audio file. And everything will be prepared. As I said, this code to make the same button mute and unmute the music file. Let us try. I have problem with the button name. I need to change it. We name it mute btn. As you see, let us try now. Now everything's work fine. The last thing I need to do is to use this line to show the user that this button is muted or not. How can I do that? Let me add a name inside the properties instance name and line. And here inside the code I have, when the is playing false, line dot visible equal is playing false, then that means the music will be muted. So I need to make it true. I need to copy it and paste it here. And when the is playing true, I need to make it false to hide the line. And also at the top here, I need to make it false. Let us try now. Starting, mute, And as you see, that's how we create a mute button uh, in Animate. And also, if you want to add an exit button to our content or to our interactive content, all we need to do is to create a button, and then we add a script to that button. And the script will be very simple. Fs command command COMMAND, and here between two double quotation we write quit in small letter. But this code for the quit button will not work unless we export or publish the game or the interactive content. So this code work when with the exe file, not inside the animate. But this is the code we add to the exit button, and then the exit button will be prepared. Once we export the file, then this button is going to work. That's it for today. See you next tutorial, inshallah.